Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change recovery email address on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your recovery email address on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app, and on this interface at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us at the top left. Tap on it, and over here on this interface you can again see the settings option over here just below the save messages. Tap on settings first, and you will land on this interface where you can see there is the privacy and security option available for us just below the chat settings. Tap on privacy and security, and in order to change your recovery email address, tap on the two-step verification option which is at the top of the screen. Tap on two-step verification and enter your password over here, and tap on the blue arrow icon at the right side of the screen, and you will be on this interface where you can spot the change recovery address for us. Tap on that change recovery email, and you'll be required to enter the email address of your account which you want to change on Telegram, or which you want to enter on Telegram for your recovery email. And after entering your email address, guys, tap on the blue arrow icon over here, and on the next step a verification code will be sent to you on your email address, and you'll be required to enter that verification code on the next step. So the moment you tap on the blue arrow icon over here, a verification code will be sent to you. Retrieve that code, and on the next step enter that code, and then your recovery email address will be changed on Telegram. And guys, this is how to change recovery email address on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.